Hello, YouTube family. Just sitting out here on the porch, getting ready to go into full prepper mode. Got to dig out all the stuff so I can go to that place called Prepper Camp. Yep. Sorry there's no live stream today. There won't be for the rest of the week. I will try to keep you up to date as much as possible, but I've been told that there's like no cellular service out there, so I'm probably going to be like making videos and releasing them when I get back. All right. Until then, if you want to support the channel, please do so. You can either become a Patreon, which I don't recommend you do right now. Wait till the first of the month. Because their billing cycle, they'll bill you twice, and I don't want that to happen. Go to my Amazon page. Go to my merch store, localprepper.net. Go there. Check the place out. Check out the products that I actually support and trust and believe in. Those are products that I actually own, have, or have tested or believe in. You're not going to find any junk there. All right. I think that's all I wanted to say. Until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.